Hello, my name is Jonathan Torres, and thank you for joining me for pulling datasets from the International Monetary Fund. What is the International Monetary Fund? The International Monetary Fund provides direct access to the IMF periodicals, books, working papers, and studies, as well as data and statistical tools. Areas covered include macroeconomics, globalization, development, trade and aid, technical assistance, demographics, emerging markets, policy advice, poverty reduction, and more. Changes to the International Monetary Fund. The last Direction of Trade Statistics yearbook and quarterly print publication was made in fall of 2018. At the start of 2019, methodological notes, world tables, and country tables are available in PDF format in the Archives tab in the DOT portal, which means now we are left with the datasets that we can retrieve directly from their website. We're going to pull these datasets by going directly to libraries.rutgers.edu/indexes/elibrary_IMF. Now that we are at the IMF e-library at the Rutgers University Library's website, what we're going to do is we're going to connect. You're going to use your Rutgers University ID and password to get in. From here, we're going to go to IMF data. From here, we can see that there is a variety of different ways that we can pull these data sets. We're going to go to download IMF data. We can see the different categories of data sets. If you are familiar with the API, you can do so by pulling datasets with the API. For this example, what we're going to do is we're going to pull the direction of trade statistics by clicking on the bulk download. We're going to click OK. Please keep in mind that you must create a IMF customer login in order to pull these datasets. It's important that you create an account by using your Rutgers email. I'm going to submit. From here, it will redirect us to datasets. And I'm just going to go back to the direction of trade statistics once again. Click on bulk download. And we can target a particular country, indicators, counterpart countries. But for the sake of this example, I'm going to leave it as is because I can parse through the data if I need to. And it's going to ask us for the year range. I'm going to put 2020 to 2021. Feel free to choose the date range of your preference. And I'm going to click on OK. Once I click on OK, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to My Data on the upper right hand side. And we can see here some of the data sets that are currently in process and that are finished. At this time, it appears that our data sets have been complete, and I'm going to go to the download option. A folder will appear on the left-hand side. Feel free to double click it. And here is our time series with our data points. Double click on the Excel spreadsheet. From right here, what we can see is the country name, country codes, and based on quarters, and based on year as well. What I would recommend doing is you can highlight and create filters based on different classifications. From here, what we can do is target the country that we're seeking. So I'm going to type in Argentina And it seems to be here. So we are going to target Argentina and press OK. And now we have the country that we're targeting and the data sets that are needed based on the years and the quarters for our research. And you can repeat this process by going to the other data points that we have and downloading them. With that being said, I want to thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at jonathan.torres@rutgers.edu. Feel free to network with me on LinkedIn or Twitter. And if you liked the video, feel free to subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.